So answer, this is problem number 2. A call center agency consists of 10 rooms. Each room must be equipped with at least 2 computers units, 1 switch and connected to routers. The first 5 rooms must be connected to a router 2811, and the second 5 remaining rooms must be another router 1 PT router. Your task is to design a network using EIGRP, Enhanced Interior Gateway Routing Protocol, and ensure all devices are properly connected. Be sure to indicate the room's numbers in your design. So, naglagay ako ng 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 rooms dito, sir. Every one switch is 2 computers, sir. Ang ginamit kong IP dito, sir, is ang ginamit kong IP, sir, is 192.168.10.2. Ang default gateway niya naman, sir, is 192.168.10.1. So, same din dito, sir. Ang IP niya, sir, is 192.168.10.3. Ito yung nasa room 1, sir. Sa room 2 naman, sir, ito yung IP niya, sir, 192.168.10.4. Subnet mask, sir, is 255.255.255.0. Same pa rin ng default gateway niya, sir. Ito naman sa room 3, sir. Yung IP niya, sir, is 192.168.10.6. Subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. Sa room 4 naman, sir, is IP niya, sir, is 192.168.10.8. Subnet mask 255.255.255.0. Sir, sa room 5 naman, sir, is ginamit kong IP niya, sir, is 192.168.10.10. Same pa rin ang default gateway, sir. So, next, sir, sa room 6, ginamit kong IP dito, sir, is 192.168.100.3. 255.255.255.0 ang subnet mask, sir, and default niya, sir, is 192.168.100.1. Same pa rin sa room 7, sir. IP niya, sir, is 192.168.100.4. 192.168.100.6. Same pa rin ang default gateway niya, sir. Yes, yun din, sir. 192.168.100.7. Room 8, room 9. Sa room 9 naman, sir, IP niya, sir, is 192.168.100.8. Same pa rin ng default gateway niya, sir. Sa room 10 naman, sir, is 192.168.100.1 ang default niya, sir. IP And the answer is 192.168.100.11. So, gamit kong IP address dito sir is 192.168.10.1. Ang subnet master is 255.255.255.0. Ito naman sir, sa serial sir is 1 serial IP address 10.0.0. Master is 255.255.0.0.0. Dito naman sir, gamit kong IP nyo sir is 20.0.0.1. That mask is 255.255. Ay, 255.0.0.0. So, try natin i-check sa isang sila. PC to PC. Ayan, success sir. Check natin lahat. Ayan, success. Yes sir. Tapos, ito naman sir. 7 to 6 success. Room 8 to room 9 success din sir. Room 9 to room 10 success sir. Tapos yung try din natin itong router to router sir. Sir. So, lang yung output ko sir. Thank you.